Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Mohammed Anwar and you're watching our channel, Mohammed Anwar, and Education for us all. So welcome to our kitchen, where as always we are going to do a small amount of cooking in this segment called Cooking Made Simple. So as you can see, it is going to be fish. It is actually what I call a chunky fish fry, and other people might call them fish pakoras. Okay, so for this we have fish, we have gram flour, we have eggs, we have chilies, and an assortment of spices which we will introduce as we put them in. Okay, so can we make a start, please? Do you want to put the gram flour as per proportion? So obviously depends how much you are making. We are making quite a lot, so our portion is going to be quite a lot. So we have 4 tablespoons, and we're going to add water little by little so that we get not a runny mixture, but a fairly thick mixture, because remember, the fish has got to be covered in this. So into that we need to put the 2 eggs. So it may be that you do need more, but obviously you have to play by ear, as it were. So give that a good whisk. Okay, this is something that's optional. We like chilies on it. So give that a good mix, and now we're going to add the spices. So we've got pepper, as per taste, salt, there's about a teaspoon there. Okay, we have garam masala, we have chilies, we have turmeric. So as always, I like this herb. It's called thyme. A little bit of that. And a little bit of zira, cinnamon. Okay, give that a good mix, and our mixture is nearly ready. So over here we've got our pan. So we're not going to deep fry them. A lot of people like to deep fry them, and I should have pointed out that the fish is actually cod, and it has been thoroughly washed in vinegar. So that is actually a real key to that. So give that a real good soaking. We're doing it a bit quick, but preferably for as long as possible. Okay, so let's fill the pan so that you get the idea. So basically it stays in the pan for around about 3 minutes on each side. So we will keep filling, and then once we've turned over we will show you. So this really is a very simple dish. So in the ingredients you can obviously add lots more herbs and spices. Coriander is always a popular one. Okay, so as I say, let that cook on high heat. Do keep moving them so that they don't get stuck. Okay. So with Ramzan coming up, this really is a lovely iftari dish. As you can see, we're beginning to turn them over now, and that is how it should look, nice and yellow. Okay, that is lovely. This is what I call chunky fish fry. So it's, really is a good idea to have the quality fish like cod and haddock rather than the watery ones. Once they're cooked on both sides, we keep tossing and turning them so that they're even more well cooked. And there is our finished product, viewers. Nice, chunky fish. Okay, as always, the proof is in the tasting. It is rather hot, so I don't know how I'll be eating it. Okay, so you can see that in the camera. There we go. I can assure you that is lovely and crispy and nice and spicy. So I do hope you're going to try this, viewers. So as I say, we do this quite often during Ramzan, so it really is a terrific starter for your iftaris. Okay, so hopefully Ramzan will be next week, and we will try to do more recipes as well. So it just remains for me to say thank you for watching. And if you don't come on the channel again, I wish you a peaceful and happy Ramzan. Once again, I say thank you. Please try to promote the channel. Please try to watch the playlists. Please tell all your friends about the channel. Until the next time, look after yourselves. Look after others. Goodbye. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज.